Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Brazilian chocolate truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Don't forget your favorite chocolate sprinkles for coating, and some small paper cups for presentation. Having everything prepped makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's cook the brigadeiro base. In a non-stick saucepan, combine the condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter. Stir continuously over medium-low heat. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent the mixture from sticking and burning. Keep cooking until the mixture thickens significantly and starts to pull away from the bottom of the pan when you tilt it, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, transfer the hot mixture to a buttered plate. Spread it out slightly to help it cool down faster. It's important to let it cool completely to room temperature, which can take about 1 hour. Once cool, lightly butter your hands. Scoop out small portions of the mixture and roll them into smooth, uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Consistency is key for a beautiful presentation. For the final touch, roll each truffle ball in your chosen coating, like chocolate sprinkles, shredded coconut, or even powdered sugar. Make sure they are fully covered for that classic look. Then, carefully place each coated truffle into a small paper cup. This makes them easy to handle and serve. Refrigerate your delicious Brazilian chocolate truffles for at least 30 minutes before enjoying them for the perfect firm texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.